Are you aware that AI is now capable of solving almost all the challenges in insurance domain? Do you want to make your claim settlement process hassle-free? Then let me introduce you to our Apta Insure portal. As a first step, your insurer have to upload an ID card. Here for your reference, I am uploading a sample driving license. Once the ID card is uploaded, our algorithm verifies it and extracts all the text. With our proprietary AI algorithm, you can fill out the details within seconds. The extracted text will be mapped with insurance company database and insurer details will be displayed. The next step is to fill the claim details. At this point, insurer have to upload either a video or images of the damaged vehicle. Here I am uploading images of the damaged vehicle. On click of submit, we process the data with our proprietary AI models. Damage detection and cost estimation. We help in detecting all the damages. After assessing all the damages, we calculate the cost estimate and display it to the insurer. The insurer can check the details and submit the claim. Insurer can keep track of the claim status. When insurance company signs in, they will get to see all the submitted claims. In addition to this, they will get details of insurer, damaged vehicle images or videos, cost estimates. Through the insurer past claim history and current claim information and damage details, going one step further, we are detecting whether a claim is genuine or fraudulent. Our algorithms can accurately predict if the claim is genuine or fraudulent. Make your process fast, accurate and efficient with Apta Insure.